What's up, online shoppers? Who doesn't love getting a surprise? Well, I got gifted this really cool pair of cat's eye sunglasses by the brand Miyya. So let's open them up and see what they look like. Da, 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 da. Sunglasses. Oh, there's more stuff. Look at this. Oh, you got a really cool little case for them. That's always nice. Keep them in your purse so they don't get scratched. And you get a cleaning cloth as well. That's pretty awesome. Let's get to the best part. Let's get to the sunnies. Ooh, I like. Look at how cute those are. What do you think? Do they suit me? Now, these are polarized and they have like a really cool retro vibe to them. And they have UV protection as well. They come in 8 different colors. That would be different combinations of lens colors and frame colors. What do you think? Do you like them? Now, we all know that the sunglasses forever live on my head right here. So these sunnies have a lens that's completely polarized. As well, the lenses themselves are made of UV400, which means you are going to have some great sun protection as well when you're wearing these. As well, the lenses have a really cool tack coating on them, which is supposed to help them repel water and smudges. So that will be really good. I'm definitely gonna have to put that to the test, but they're really nice. They're a lightweight frame. They're not super heavy. They feel really comfortable on my face. And you know, sometimes sunglasses don't fit really well over the bridge of your nose. Well, this feels like it was made for me. I think these are awesome sunglasses and they are definitely going to go in this cool little carry case with the cloth in my purse for those times when I get caught and I need a pair of sunglasses. I think these are definitely going to be a family favorite at my house.